The next part is yung analogy. So, this is a fun part for me, no? Kasi, although challenging, pero maganda. Like, for example, sa tanong na ito, like, yung odometer is for mileage, and then yung compass is for blank. So, kung alam mo kung ano yung odometer is an instrument para ma-identify yung mileage. So, kung ang compass is also an instrument, so ano yung kanyang tinatry na find out or identify. So, that is the direction. Okay. So, direction. So, sa mga choices na yon, although may mga multiple items naman ito, you have to choose, no, kung saan doon. So, that is analogy. So, second question is yung, like, for example, yung window is for pain and then book is for blank. So, kung wala kang background about pain or about kung ano yung pain na tinatawag sa bintana, so, mahihirapan kang i-find out kung ano yung para sa book. So, yung window is made up of panes, no? And then book is made up of what? Okay, so ito yung mga choices, and then it is made up of pages. So those are some examples of analogy. So parang magandang part ng QWE yan, but yet challenging if yung comprehension mo at yung vocabulary mo is mababa.